Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel CodeBeyondDegree. Welcome to our WordPress tutorial series. Today we are going to explore the WordPress setting and dive into configuration of the general writing, reading and discussion setting. Let's get started. The settings section in your WordPress dashboard allow you to customize and control how your website functions. Let's take a closer look at some of the essential settings. First, let's start with the general setting. This setting determines basic information about your site, such as the site title, tagline, and URL. In the general setting, you can set your site title and tagline, which appears in the browser tab and sometimes in search engine results. You can also specify your site URL, time zone, and language. Next, we have writing setting. These settings control the default option for creating and editing posts and pages. In the writing setting, you can configure options such as the default post category, post format, and the default post editor. You can also enable features like the XML, RPC, and the WordPress specific publishing protocols. Now let's move on the reading setting. This setting determines how our site content is displayed to visitors. In the reading setting, you can specify whether your homepage display your latest post or a static page. You can also set the number of posts to display per page and configure options related to RSS feeds and search engine visibility. Finally, we have the discussion setting. This setting controls how comments are handled on your site. In the discussion setting, you can configure options such as whether to allow comments on post and page, the default comment section, and setting related to moderation and notification. By configuration of this setting according to your preferences, you can ensure that your WordPress site operates smoothly and meet your specific needs. That's all for today's tutorial on understanding WordPress setting. I hope you find this information helpful. Stay tuned for more WordPress tips and tricks in future episodes.